resulting in fabrics that are both luxurious and functional. The use of silk extends beyond its application in clothing and textiles. Silk fibers are also utilized in the production of fine embroidery, upholstery fabrics, drapery, and even in the creation of artworks and tapestries. The versatility and beauty of silk make it a favored material for a wide range of creative endeavors. Silk fabrics offer not only a wide variety of types but also numerous applications in the textile industry. One of the most prominent uses of silk is in the production of high-end and luxury apparel. Silk's natural sheen, softness, and draping qualities make it an ideal choice for creating elegant dresses, blouses, skirts, and suits. The smooth and delicate texture of silk against the skin enhances comfort and adds a touch of luxury to the wearer. Furthermore, silk is widely used in the production of accessories and embellishments. Silk ribbons and bows add a touch of elegance to hats, shoes, and handbags. Silk scarves are not only fashionable but also versatile, providing a lightweight and stylish accessory for various outfits. Silk thread is favored for delicate hand embroidery, allowing for intricate and detailed designs on garments, accessories, and home textiles. Silk fabrics also play a significant role in the production of home furnishings. Silk draperies and curtains bring a touch of opulence and sophistication to any room. Their lustrous appearance and flowing drape create an atmosphere of luxury and elegance. Silk upholstery fabrics are highly sought after for their smoothness and durability, adding a refined and sumptuous feel to furniture pieces. In recent years, silk has also been utilized in the field of interior design. Silk wallpapers, featuring intricate patterns and designs, add a luxurious and textured look to walls. These wallpapers create a sense of depth and visual interest, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Additionally, silk rugs and carpets provide a soft and luxurious underfoot experience, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a room. Beyond its applications in fashion and home textiles, silk also finds its place in specialized industries such as the automotive and aerospace sectors. Silk fabrics are used in the production of car interiors, providing a luxurious and comfortable seating experience. In the aerospace industry, silk is utilized for its lightweight and strong properties, making it suitable for applications such as lightweight panels and insulation. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in sustainable and eco-friendly textiles. Silk, being a natural and biodegradable material, is considered a sustainable choice in the textile industry. The production of silk involves fewer chemicals and has a lower environmental impact compared to synthetic fabrics. Additionally, advancements in silk production methods have made it possible to produce organic silk, further reducing the environmental footprint. Apart from the various types of yarn, the textile industry also utilizes different methods of yarn production to create a wide range of fabrics. One such method is ring spinning, a traditional technique that produces strong and smooth yarn. Ring-spun yarns are known for their durability and are commonly used in denim, bedding, and heavy-duty fabrics. This method involves twisting fibers together using a ring spinning frame, resulting in yarn that is suitable for fabrics requiring strength and resilience.